What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Kim representing Mr. Kimani Capital, right? We are here representing Kimani Capital, where we only talk about crypto, Web3, metaverse, NFTs, and all matters money. So if you love money, fuck it. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and let's get it. Let's get it. So I just woke up to find this, and remember, I slept right here. It was just breaking this, and then there was a lot of resistance here in this area. I didn't know it's gonna break that hard. I mean, this was a very clear, very clear, you know, breakout from this mini trend line. But as you can see here, when you look at it in a professional way, you can see here this was a local top. There was a very strong resistance here, and then price tried to break through it, didn't. Price tried to break through it, didn't. Price tried to break through it, didn't. I think that's where my analysis got from. I should have realized, but you know what? If we break this resistance and we come retest, now we have confirmed momentum, change of momentum. Fortunately, I followed this, man. I followed this trend line. And then once we closed above it, I was like, you know what? Boom! There we go. And then this happened. So, long story short, everything else is red. Okay, apart from DYDX. I don't know why DYDX is still green, but you can see it's still red right here. But compared to how it gained yesterday, because it gained something like, 17, uh, 20 actually. 21%. Wow, this was a huge gain yesterday. Alone. That's yesterday alone. With 10x leverage, that would have been 200%. Guys, that's 200%. Like literally, it's 200%. But you can see, it's also in a very tricky street because it had just come to retest this 200 in May, and then now it is rejected. You can see that doji right there. It has been rejected, and we have now this serious candles pointing downwards. So probably we're gonna see, we're gonna see it come back all the way. From a 1 hour time frame, looks like it's just bouncing off this trend line, coming to retest and then come back again. So we'll wait and see. But Bitcoin has shown us, it has broken this very key level, which was the 40k. Now we are going all the way to let's go to the 4 hour time frame and see what's the next possible zone. So we have this right here. Okay, wow, we have this right here. This was the resistance, so the chances that it's gonna come up as a support. Okay, so we have this as well right here. Oh, wow. I don't know where is the next zone, but we just broke momentum, as you can see here. This was the lowest low, and from this week we have gone even down further. It's crazy what's happening in this space. It's crazy. So, and Bitcoin with the dominance increasing every day at 40, we're still gonna see the rest of the altcoins drag. And the coin that I trade here, Luna, yesterday did me some justice. You can see very clearly right here. I remember getting at 82 and closed at 77. That was a nice game. That was good. That was really good. Yeah, you can see it was forming this head and shoulder pattern, and then boom, right there. It was supposed to happen. It was bound to happen, right? So, for if anyone right out there is watching and asking themselves, hey, what are these things? What is going on in this um, page, guys? You need to check out my technical analysis guide for beginners, which explain in detail what is this, which explain what are these trend lines, which explain. I think the video that I'm going to now do is now explaining this type of patterns. And this you can always find them online if you want to know bullish patterns or bearish patterns, they're always there. This is the bearish pattern. It's a reversal pattern. Okay, head, shoulder, shoulder. So basically, once we have this shoulder, then we have a head, then we have this shoulder, right? This right shoulder here, it should match this other side, and then we're gonna have a possible reversal. Then we're gonna wait until this trend line is broken right here, right? Boom, that's it, you know. And then these two moving averages, 200 moving average and the 50 moving average, just tell us the trend, where the trend is, how the trend is. Okay, so we were in an uptrend for Luna, but then unfortunately we broke through this 200 MA. MA means moving average, is the average price, the average close price, the average price at which price closed the past 200 uh, days, depending on the time frame you are. So in the 4 hour, the past 200 4-hour candlesticks, the average price at which price closed is what this 200 means, and the 50 is the 50 past 50 past 50 4-hour candles, right? So it help us know what's the average price, closing price of the token. So anytime this 50 MA crosses above the 200 MA, that means we are bullish and more buyers in the space. If we close down, that means we are bearish, and you can see right here. And this is a lagging indicator. Lagging indicator means it always happens after the move. So once this move happened, this is when we had this cross, right? And then once this move happened, is when we have this cross over right here. So this is basically not entry point, just a momentum indicator. Then I have this other indicator called the VUMANCHU. The VUMANCHU, the VUMANCHU, uh, uh, the VUMANCHU swing free. VUMANCHU swing free. Just come here to indicators, and then you can just type VUMANCHU. VUMANCHU, and then you get VUMANCHU swing free 1962. Check it out. It just gives you buying and sell signals. So the beauty about this indicator is that it gives you accurate signals once everything is confirmed. So it's basically like a robot, right? So if it places a trade, if it gives a sell signal like here now, it gives this sell signal once we broke this trend line right here. Let me show you. Let me clear everything first so that you guys can understand and you can see what I'm trying to say. So you can see here we have a clear trend line. You have a clear upward trend line right here. Okay, I'm taking this low and this low right here. So let me even remove this so that you have it clear. Okay, so we have this clear trend line right here. Okay, so once we break it, I think that's when now the sell signal comes in. You can see right here where the green, this green, support level just finished. Right? Once it crosses that green level, boom, right there, we start getting into the red, or you can call it purple, right? So where you getting a trade right here, and then you can push until don't wait for the buy signal. This is now where you use your knowledge to determine the take profit, right? So for me, I always go with percentages. Okay, so you can see this is 4%. So for me, that 4% will be fine because I'll be looking at the next resistance point. So I believe that this zone here is a point of resistance or support. Okay, so if price came and bounced here and go back, so if I put my entry right here, okay, and this is something I'm also working on. It's not perfect. I'm still checking it out. It's something I'm testing out. So I put my stop loss above there, and then I put my take profit just not all the way down here to this, just here, and the average price previous at which the price closed. Okay, because I don't know if it's gonna go all the way. You can see that's a good 1 to 69 ratio. So you risk no risk 1%, we risk 1.5%. Yes, we risk 1.5% to make 4%, which is our 1:3 ratio, which is good. That's what we want, right? You can take it all the way here. Alright. So you see, if you would have waited for this buy right here, okay, price would have come all the way, you would have taken profit at a 2% or 3%, right? But now we maximize our profit by also utilizing other tools, right? Not just not just using these are just to give you entry, they are not to give you take profits. So once it gives you an entry, you determine your take profit, and then boom. And to me that seems easy. I think you see right here it gave us a buy after this surge. Right here it gave us a buy. So if you and you have to remember, these are not perfect. They're not perfect. All of them are not perfect. So once you cross here, you put that buy position right there. Have my stop loss just below that, right there. And then take profit. To be honest, my first take profit will be here or here. So we have this zone right here. That's with group or here. So these are more realistic zone. Okay, and you get our 4% again, which is not bad, guys. It's not bad at all if you know what you're doing. And that's exactly what I'll be doing now. I'll be waiting for these candlesticks, and I will be showing, and I'll be waiting for these signals, and I will be showing you guys. So you can see we are dumping here, and you've not yet gotten a sell signal. Then you're asking yourself, why are we not getting a sell signal? So what basically the indicator is saying is that you have not yet seen that bearish momentum, and you can see here you have not even closed, you have not even crossed this lower high, lower low right here. But if you cross it now, it's gonna give us a sell signal, confirming that you know what, now I think we're going down. You're going further down, okay? So yeah, because here we made a lower high. Who knows? We might, go further down, or we might even bounce back again. So that's why we still have a buy signal. So I think this indicator is working on well. You can see here this buy signal, and it's working out the same as what is happening here. So we gave a buy signal here. So if you would have put in this trade right here, that candlestick right there, okay, and the stop loss right there, and then stop loss, you see it's 1%. It's not more than 1.5. When risking 1.5%, which is 15% from without 10x leverage, and then we are looking at the next possible zone, which is right here. So I would have placed my stop loss right here, and I would have gotten my 10% easy, nice and easy. Okay, nice and easy. So yeah, so that's exactly what is happening here. And I can even work without any other indicator now, right? I can just work with basically these two indicators, and not I'm looking at volume here. I'm also looking at these zones, my zones, and I'm also working on this indicator. So I normally like looking at it from the 1 hour time frame. You can see from the 1 hour time frame, you have it different results. So you put what right here, you've gotten a 6%, okay, 6% already, alright, and then you would have gotten this sell signal once it came in, so you would have gotten like 2%, which is not bad, but yeah, you can see here it's following certain, they had to go through this. So and you can see here it's forming a very clear reversal pattern that you guys should know. This is a head, this is a shoulder, this is another shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This is a reversal pattern, and when you Google it, you know that, hey, you know what, that anytime you see this, even when it's inverted, that means it's a reversal pattern. So this was a good trade right here. This was a good trade, and again, it my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah, seems easy, but guys, it's not easy. I myself am struggling with it. Remember, we have this trading challenge, and that's the trade I've shown you guys that I did yesterday. It's not actually 2 hours. It's supposed to be like 6 hours. You know, yeah, we made 43%, which was good, and immediately I withdrew the profit. I don't know. I just so it's nice doing it. I withdrew that profit to enjoy it. You know, it's not a good decision, but that's what it is. You know, it is what it is. So it's my money. I do whatever I fucking want with it. So hopefully we are going to see now. We are waiting to see the price action that's going on here, and then we see what's gonna happen, right? Um, yeah, so guys, don't forget to subscribe. Let me comment. Let me know what you guys. I will put the name of this indicator right there so that you guys can test it out. It has been proven. It has been back tested by 100 trades, and it has a good winning rate, which is good, especially in a trending market, right? Not in a range. In a trending market, works perfectly, right? So yeah, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you're watching it closely, it's gonna tell us what's next, right? So this is the mother of all. Make sure you check it out, make sure you watch it. This is what dictates everything, right? Sawa sawa, hapo sawa, hapo sawa, hapo sawa. So guys, make sure you comment anything you want me to talk about. And if you have not joined my Telegram group, make sure you link in the bio, check it out. From Monday, we are starting Zoom calls, where we are now going to now start beginner classes for free. And then, as with time, these free classes will be done, so you better take chance, take advantage of this. I'm also going to be throwing in signals. I'll also open a boiler room, traders. We're going to be talking now the traders language for the advanced people, and the normal group, for the noobs, right? So stick around, keep it up.